Some administrators use the Kaspersky Endpoint Security Cloud console only to adjust security settings and prefer to receive notifications about incidents by email. To configure notifications, click Configure Event Notifications on the main page of the console. In the window that opens, select the recipients who need to receive the messages. Next, select the events that you want to be notified about. There are 4 events groups available. Critical events lead to data loss, device malfunctioning, or critical errors. For example, detection of malicious objects or network attacks, a dangerous link opened by a user, and so on. Functional failures are errors in malfunctioning of Kaspersky Endpoint Security Cloud. For example, an error when deleting a file, wiping a device, or downloading updates, and so on. Warnings refers to notifications about events that do not pose an immediate threat. A device needs to be restarted, the user cancelled an operation, a keyboard authorization error, and so on. Information events notify about successful completion of tasks and application functioning. The specified recipients will receive notifications only about the events that you select. On the Monitoring tab, you can see most recent information about the Kaspersky Endpoint Security Cloud functioning, such as protection status, database statuses, and so on. Click the links for more details. On the Reports tab, various reports are available. You can save a report as a PDF or CSV file, if, for example, you need to send reports to managers or store them for statistics. The reports are grouped as follows: Protection, Management, and Installed Applications. The Protection group contains the Threats report that displays threats detected on the devices. You can see that this report is still empty. Let's try to download a test file to one of the protected devices. We unpack the archive and try to run it. You can see that Kaspersky Endpoint Security blocks the file. If we open Kaspersky Endpoint Security Reports and select File Threat Protection, we'll see an event about a detected infected file. Let's open the Threats report in the Kaspersky Endpoint Security Cloud console. It shows the same test file now. Among other things, you can see the threat development chain graph here, which visualizes how this pseudo-malicious file appeared on the device. This graph helps investigate incidents and avoid similar threats in the future. Now, let's open the mailbox that we set up for event notification. You can see a message about the detected malicious object that contains the detection time, file name, type of malicious object, and other useful information about the detected threat.